The smart sensor trash can is a subtle but brilliant innovation that, with its cutting-edge technology and useful design, is changing the way we manage waste. This modest garbage can, which combines intellect and practicality in its design, becomes an efficient symphony that blends in perfectly with your everyday activities. Imagine the trouble of opening lids, the work of getting rid of rubbish, and the need for a more hygienic alternative. With its hands-free and intelligent waste management capabilities, the smart sensor trash can becomes your silent companion, transforming every disposal into a note in the carefully crafted harmony of home cleaning. The adaptability of the smart sensor trash can is evident as it effortlessly responds to your presence. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen, disposing of bathroom waste, or simply passing by, this can prove to be versatile and user-friendly. Operation is a breeze. A simple wave of the hand or the motion of approaching triggers the sensor, automatically opening the lid. Crafted from high-quality and fingerprint-resistant materials, the smart sensor trash can emphasizes not just convenience, but also cleanliness. It minimizes the risk of cross-contamination, prevents the spread of germs, and ensures that your waste disposal experience is hygienic and hassle-free. This smart trash can isn't just about collecting waste. It symbolizes a commitment to modernity and efficiency in your daily household routines. Crafted from resilient and easy-to-clean materials, it embodies a dedication to ensuring that even the most mundane aspects of your living space are approached with intelligence. The smart sensor trash can is a whispersome revolution in the grand narrative of waste management. It transforms the routine act of throwing away trash into a symphony of convenience, reminding us that even the smallest additions to our daily rituals can play a pivotal role in enhancing our household experiences. So, embrace the subtle brilliance of the smart sensor trash can, where every disposal becomes a note in the orchestrated melody of contemporary home innovation. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to leave a like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more great content, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.